AI Stoore. Finally, there is an easy and most guaranteed way to earn consistently online by grabbing your own share of the $1.96 trillion per year Amazon industry. First to market brand new AI-powered app Otto creates a high-value, fully functional Amazon affiliate online store. In just 60 seconds, automatically loaded with 5 million best-selling Amazon products in various categories that automatically pull in massive traffic, build your list, and get daily huge commissions for you. No Shopify, no WooCommerce, no website registration or hosting, 100% cloud-based. Features of AI Stoore. AI-powered app creates your profit-pulling Amazon affiliate store in just 60 seconds, no more. Wasting hours setting up complicated stores with Shopify. Fully AI-driven automated Amazon affiliate store. No need to spend a penny on paid traffic ever again with our inbuilt automated traffic tool. Preloaded with 5 million top best-selling Amazon products in various niches so you can start selling instantly in the next 5 minutes. Inbuilt ChatGPT AI-powered content and graphics generator. Get 100% free hosting, no domain or hosting required. Create money-making Amazon affiliate stores in the hottest affiliate marketing business niche. 100% cloud-based. Nothing to download or install. Cancel all your expensive affiliate Amazon store subscription and use our AI-powered app to create stunning best-selling affiliate stores without any tech skills or experience. Commercial license included to create and sell high-in-demand Amazon affiliate stores as you like to clients. Only clicks is required to create amazing high-value AI-powered fully functional Amazon affiliate store. Latest highly converting affiliate marketing AI-powered affiliate stores that get you results. Start your own 7-figure Amazon store design agency without any effort. No monthly recurring fees. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. No hidden fees or any extra expenses. Optimized for seamless mobile usage. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Watch me create a profit-pulling AI-powered, high-value online Amazon affiliate store. In just 60 seconds, no need to wait for uploads or imports. You too can start your own online Amazon affiliate store to grab your own share of the $1.96 billion per year Amazon industry. In just 3 easy steps. Step number 1, login. Login to yzlcp cloud-based app. Step number 2, setup. In clicks to set up your online Amazon affiliate store. Step number 3, enjoy. That's it. Your profit-pulling AI-powered online Amazon affiliate store is ready to pull in huge bucks for you. So dear friend, if you want to buy or want to know more about, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.